about yesterday. My, oh my.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I will be making my family and I some lasagna. I mean, who doesn't love lasagna? This meal lasts me for 2 days in my household for a family of 5. Quick and easy. So if you want to see how I make my lasagna, then keep watching. If you love bold flavors and unforgettable meals, then it's time to spice things up with the Spice House. The Spice House is the leading premium spice brand online, offering you the highest quality spices, seasonings, herbs, and extracts from around the globe. From hand-selected cinnamon to freshly ground peppercorns and globally sourced blends, every jar is packed with pure premium flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, the Spice House brings quality and taste right to your door. To save money on your purchase, use my code, the Urban Homemaker Mama, to save today. The link in the code will be in the description box as well. Now back to the video. So there are times when I make a traditional lasagna, and then there are times when I make a lasagna supreme. I mean extra cheese, pepperoni, and extra beef to make it similar to a pizza-style lasagna. My family goes crazy over this one.
My, oh my. My, oh my. A kiss, and so I did.
So what you'll see here is that I have separated 2 pounds of ground beef. So we don't eat pork, but I love the taste of Italian sausage. So I use the same seasonings on ground beef to give my lasagna that good flavor. So for 1 pound of ground beef, I just use regular seasonings like pepper, salt, garlic, and onion powder. For the Italian seasoning flavor, I used parsley, Italian seasoning, pepper, fennel seed, paprika, red pepper flakes, salt, minced onion, and garlic powder. Please just don't worry, don't fret. I will leave the exact seasonings down in the description box below so that you can try it at home. Once the ground beef is done and drained, I combine both and add pasta sauce. I usually just grab some good old Hunt's cans from the store. I then season again the sauce and the meat mixture, and then I add a little bit of sugar. Yes, I am one who adds some sugar to her sauce. We're not finna argue about it, okay? That's what we just do over here. So now I'm going to begin layering my lasagna. I love using the Barilla oven ready lasagna sheets because I love how flat they are. I lay some sauce at the bottom of my pan and then I add some of the lasagna sheets. Then I add more sauce, turkey pepperoni. Now we don't like the taste of ricotta cheese, but I have found that a creamy alternative is sour cream. All I can say is don't knock it until you try it. Then I add provolone cheese and then mozzarella cheese. I repeat these steps until I have assembled my lasagna, and then I bake in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes covered, and then I take the foil off and bake an additional 10 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and brown.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. I feel unbreakable. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable. My oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did. I feel unbreakable. And honey on those fingertips, feel unbreakable.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at how good that lasagna looks. It was so good. I'm telling you guys, just give this a try. I know you'll like it. That completes this video, but please don't forget to give your girl a like. And if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so and hitting that notification bell so you are notified when I upload fresh new content. I will talk to you guys on my next video, but until then, y'all be blessed. Peace.